Okay, 5:42 and talking about our weather this morning. It is a weather alert day. Much of the tri-state is currently under a tornado watch right now, and this is really just the first of what is going to be multiple rounds of impactful weather that we are dealing with. So, Randy, what is headed our way?
We actually just in the last minute or so got our very first severe thunderstorm warning of the morning, and I want to show you what's coming our way. This line of storms right now in portions of Indiana. This triangle right here, that was a tornado warning. They're just kind of slowly eating away at the area under that warning. They've decided to go with a severe thunderstorm warning as it moves our way because the rotation with that system is now more broad, which means just really strong wind gusts along this segment of the storm. And you can see a little bow there as it makes its way in toward our area. So this thing's moving pretty fast, 55, 60 miles per hour. So you want to show you the towns that are going to be impacted first. And that would be folks in portions of Ripley County, Dearborn County. Notice the severe thunderstorm warning goes all the way into portions of Hamilton County and Boone County. And this is for the potential for winds gusting upwards of 60 miles per hour and possibly nickel-sized hail. So timing wise with this one gets you into Osgood at just before 6 o'clock in the morning. As we take a closer look, so you can see the severe thunderstorm warning that goes into portions of Hamilton County, parts of northern Kentucky, nips Butler County as well. That is in effect until 6:30 this morning. Even though right now you're not seeing any storms, these suckers are moving pretty quickly. In fact, those of you here off to the east had a very quick line of thunderstorms. This one developed basically right overhead at 5 a.m. and moving very quickly to the east. You can see right now already passing by Wilmington. It brings a ton of lightning. It brings some strong winds and some decent sized hail. Had reports of pea-sized hail with this, and I'm assuming that's what's going on right now directly over top of New Vienna as well. You can see the hail tracker shows all these kind of pinky purple colors are reports of hail from that storm as it popped up. So it's basically rolling right into Sabina right now. If you're in Leesburg, should be at you in the next couple of minutes. Let's take a look again back at the line of storms that is now rapidly racing our way. Many communities under a severe thunderstorm warning for this. We've got gusty winds, we've got hail, and that's not the only concerns we'll have through the day. Let's get over to Erica. She'll take you hour by hour through the heavy rain and the wind.
Hey there, good morning to you guys. So we still have this first threat, this batch in the morning that could bring us the threat for severe weather, which we're already seeing as Randy just detailed for you. But throughout the day, we are going to see rounds of rain and wind, as well as some widespread heavy rain. 1 to 2 inches of rain is possible throughout the day today. And we are looking at the potential for flooding, lots of lightning, some strong winds, and the threat for severe weather, including isolated tornadoes, and the main threat going to be damaging winds. That tornado watch for areas in yellow goes until 10 o'clock this morning. We have that wind advisory until 8 o'clock this evening because we are going to look at potential wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour. And that's outside of any thunderstorm. And then throughout this evening, I expect this heavy rain event to take place. As we head into the afternoon, early evening hours, we're going to see widespread heavy rain, embedded thunderstorms. That is what's prompted this flood watch because we are going to see a couple inches of rain in a lot of locations. Right now, we're fairly quiet in downtown. It's 68 degrees. Winds, though, sustained around 21 miles per hour. So let's take you through Futurecast. Here's 7:30, 8 o'clock, where we're still focusing our attention on the potential for some strong to severe storms. That lingers through at least 9, 10 o'clock, and then we're drying out late morning to about lunchtime. Lunchtime is when we'll introduce more scattered activity in the form of showers, some heavier downpours, and some lightning and thunder. And then through 2, 3 o'clock, that's when I expect the heavy widespread rain to arrive from the south and southwest. By 4, 5 o'clock, a lot of us under that heavy rain, some embedded thunderstorms. We could still have some severe weather, but if the rain is this widespread and this heavy, it's going to be really hard to see very severe weather. So we may have some gusty downpours for sure, but we are going to see that heavy weather stick with us throughout the evening hours. And then tomorrow we're looking at scattered showers, especially through the morning hours. A few spotty showers are possible throughout the afternoon and evening, but that will be fewer and farther between as we head throughout the day on Sunday. But temperatures are going to be falling. We are going to still be mild today despite the rain and the clouds we have around, with highs near 70 early this afternoon. Then tomorrow we'll probably hit highs late morning around the mid 50s and then see falling temperatures. We'll be in the upper 40s by 5 or 6 p.m. tomorrow, and we're tracking those scattered showers at least through the first part of the day. Monday and Tuesday we're dry. Temperatures still above average, 50s on Monday, upper 60s on Tuesday, and then we introduce our next chance for rain later on Wednesday, potentially mixing with a few flakes on Thursday, but no worries about the roads with highs in the mid.